Hi friends, this is my first tutorial about learning Java. We are going to learn how to program in Java step by step. If you don't have any previous programming experience, don't worry about that. We're gonna start learning together from scratch. The first step is going to be downloading IDE. What is IDE? IDE is Integrated Development Environment. Basically, that's the environment that we are going to type our codes in that. It has its own generator, and it's gonna basically make it as a executable file which we can run it and enjoy our program. First step, we are going to learn programming in Java in Eclipse. Let's download that. To download the latest version of Eclipse, I just search for download Eclipse. The first thing pops up is manufacturer's website. Latest version at the time that I'm going to record this video is Neon. Download the version which is right for you. Download. It's gonna start downloading. Now, since I already downloaded this file, I'm just going to skip this, saving some time, going to my folder. I'm going to cancel this, and here it is. So what we need is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on that one. Install it in the place that you would like to. I'm not going to change it. Okay, our installation is done. Let's launch it. So here it's going to ask for the workspace or workspace. What is a workspace? That's basically the folder, the place that we are going to save all the projects as default. I'm not going to change it. I already have some projects over there. If you like, you can definitely change it. Okay. Yes, I'm sure. Alright, when you start your project, you wouldn't have any of these folders over here. These are basically some of my homeworks for school, programming assignments. You don't need to be worried about any of these. All that we're going to need is being more familiar with what we have on this screen and how we can use it. Let's start with going to File, New, Java project. Project name, as always in any programming language, it's going to be Hello World. Make sure you are going to set JRE to the default one. We can talk about that later, what it is, or you can make a comment. I would answer that if you are interested in. I'm not going to change more details. Let's just finish. Alright. So the simplest program is going to be this. Hello world. It's going to show this command, these two words on the screen. Go to source, nothing in the source. We are going to create it. Right click, new. We are going to make a new class. What's our class going to be? Don't worry about these words, I will explain all of them. What a class is, what a project is, what's the difference between these two. But for now, let's just make a new one. I'm going to call it hello. Each program, each Java program must have a main class. Basically, main method in one of the classes, at least one main. So this is going to be the one. If you are not going to type it word by word, you can just check it and hit finish. Simplest command. We are going to type it. System.out.println hello world. Let's run it. It's right over here. Let's run. Down here on the console, we're gonna see what our program is going to do. This is the first program. We are going to talk about more details. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and we're gonna have more.